What if your Windows 11 PC suddenly refused to boot? Microsoft has introduced a brand new recovery feature that lets you reinstall Windows directly from the cloud. No bootable USB required. Here's everything new in Windows 11. Build 26300.8772. Microsoft has released Windows 11 Insider Experimental Preview Build 26300.8772 for version 26H2. While this build includes several fixes and improvements, one new recovery feature is the highlight of this update. The biggest addition is the new Cloud Rebuild feature. If Windows becomes corrupted or your PC refuses to start, you no longer need to create a bootable USB drive to reinstall Windows. Instead, boot into the Windows recovery environment, choose Cloud Rebuild, connect to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and Windows automatically downloads a fresh operating system directly from Windows Update. It also installs the latest compatible device drivers during the recovery process, so your PC is ready to use once installation is complete. Because the installation files come directly from Microsoft, you'll receive a clean and up-to-date Windows image without relying on local recovery files that may already be damaged. This makes recovering your PC much faster and much easier, especially if you don't have installation media available. Microsoft has also improved Windows Backup for commercial devices. On eligible Microsoft Entra managed PCs running Windows 11 version 26H2, Settings Backup is now enabled by default, making it much easier to restore settings and Microsoft Store apps after resetting or replacing a device. The Microsoft account Flyout has also received a refreshed design. It now shows clearer subscription badges, account benefits, and OneDrive storage information, making it easier to check your account status at a glance. This build also adds gamepad navigation support in Bluetooth quick settings, fixes the missing taskbar search icon on vertical taskbars, improves accessibility for the redesigned run dialog, resolves an Outlook freezing issue when closing the application, and optimizes Task Manager's title bar tooltips to reduce resource usage. Overall, Build 26300.8772 focuses on reliability, but the new Cloud Rebuild feature is easily the standout addition and makes Windows recovery much more convenient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to EduTech Tree and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest Windows Insider updates. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.